Hi friends, I'm Joji into my channel Joji Talks, and today is the day when I'm coming with a new video for you, and it's regarding lot many things are there. First thing, it's regarding something which is general in the sense now we are running in a situation where we have to survive with something which is creating problem to us, and it is COVID-19. Coronavirus is troubling us a lot. We have to survive, and it is a survival of the fittest. So what we can do is, let us try to survive, because we are human beings and we are not a virus. We need to kill it, and for that lot many things have been told by the government as well as the health workers, so that we'll be surviving. Okay, three things have been told: SMS, sanitizer, mask, social distancing. Let it be there like that. But as I told, it is survival of the fittest. How are you going to survive? If you are not fit enough, you are not going to survive. How will you know that you are fit enough? Will it be not difficult? It will not be difficult. We have lot many tips for that. Let us understand how to be fit and how to survive. First thing, let me tell you one thing. As I've told you, it is a survival of the fittest. Having good food is the main thing. Having or getting the sun's heat in the morning, early morning sunlight, is the best thing where you can get vitamin A, B, C, D. That's the best thing what you can do. Early morning sunlight. Have it for at least 5 or 10 minutes. That will make sure that your vitamins A, B, C, D is there with your body, and you're safe to a particular limit. First thing. Second one, having some green leaves, leafy vegetables, along with that some fruits, little milk and egg or something like that will make sure that you are surviving. Again, one more thing is there. If at all you are having all these things, are you sure that you are going to survive? Without yes, it will be very difficult. So let us be very careful into that. Okay, that's the first part of it. Second part, we are in a situation where the economy has gone down a lot. We are into a great depression. We are going to face a great depression. Jobs are not there. The people who are having jobs have lost it, and for maybe for months or years to come, there will not be any jobs. Then how are you going to survive? Without job, how are you going to buy medicine? Without job, how are you going to buy eggs or meat or whatever be it? How are you going to do it? Won't it be difficult? It will be. And along with that, if in case, if there is a war, if it is going to happen with China, what will be the situation again like? Let us pray, let it not happen, because that will be the end of a new generation which is going to come. End of a new generation which is going to come. As Bill Gates have told, by 2060, there's another great pandemic going on to come. Already a pandemic is there, which is not at all over. And after another 40 more years, if another pandemic is coming, how will we face it? We had a great depression starting 2020 in 1929, which went till 1939, 10 years. Now this particular thing is eating up the people, eating away the population, eating away the economy of the world, eating away everything. No medicine is there. You don't know how to survive. If you are not having if you have the medicine, no way. If you don't have the medicine, no way. Then how are you going to survive? In my channel, in the days to come, there will be tips for that. There will be some tips for that. As I've told you, the first one, it is being given by the government as well as the health workers. It is SMS: sanitizer, mask, social distancing. That's the first thing. Second one, it is get the sunlight in the morning, 5 to 10 minutes. That will give you vitamins A, B, C, D. And make sure that you are having good food. Three things have been told. All these things have been told by a lot many people. Let those things be there. Along with that, I'll give you a little more tips. But my channel, it is not for only health tips. It will be for the 10th class students, starting from the 8th class students to the 10th class students or to the 12th class students for their social studies. It will be regarding the total of India, where, because we are Indians, we are the great citizens of India, and we need to know what India is, and we need to understand how we can make our India great. For that, definitely there will be some tips. Not tips, something which will make sure that you are going to be the great citizens of India. Let us, politics is there, politics should be there, let it be there, but let us be Indians. Let us survive and let us make the coming generation survive. It is a survival of the fittest, I have told you, but sustainability should be there. Sustainability to the best. We need to survive and we need to make sure that the next generation is coming to survive. Thank you.